Hi, hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add welcome bot to Discord. So first, you just have to go to your server, tap this arrow facing down, and you have to click this app directory. Here, what you're going to do is you have to search for this application, ProBot, and then press enter. Now you have to click this with a purple logo, tap ProBot, and once you tap this application, you need to add this to your Discord. So you have to click this add app, this blue button right here, and then tap this. After that, you have to wait for a couple of seconds and you need to choose or log in your Discord on a server. Okay, so you have to choose your server here. For example, I want to add a welcome bot to this server and then click authorize. And then you have to prove that you're 100% human. So tap I am not a robot. And then wait for a couple of seconds again as it is loading and processing. So this is the ProBot I'm talking about. Here is your Discord account at the top left corner. So you have to click this welcome and goodbye. And as simple as you just have to turn this one on. Now you can create your welcome message. Okay, so this is an example. I have created this message so that if someone wants to join or already join my Discord, they will see this message. So send to channel your server and then tap save changes. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Okay, so you can also add the following here, like send a message or send a goodbye message, but let's just focus on welcome message first. Now let's go to that server we have created. So I'm going to use my other Discord and I will join to the server and see if I can see a welcome message. So I'm going to join, tap join, and I should see a welcome message right here. And here it is. So basically, that's how you add welcome bot to Discord. Thank you so much for watching. If you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.